Hey everyone, it's Chris here from Storage Chain, where we deliver secure storage, AI-powered semantic search, and seamless file sharing. But today I want to focus on one big question. Why is decentralized storage the future? And why should your organization move beyond today's outdated centralized system? Storage Chain is a decentralized Web3 cloud. And the way it works is you see this file gets uploaded, gets sharded into 42 separate pieces. Each one of those pieces or shards is encrypted and put on our Web3 decentralized storage network. So if our network is going to be, if somebody tries to hack our network, it would be 42 times more difficult to hack one file than it is on a centralized data network. So, just to talk about today's storage model, what we call Web2 storage, which is centralized storage, and it means your data lives inside some massive data center controlled by Amazon, Google, or Microsoft. And it's got multiple drawbacks, right? The single points of failure. You see all the time the data, Web2 data clouds are getting hacked. There's just a big Gmail hack. 23andMe got, people's DNA are getting hacked. Celebrity photo hacks happen all the time at Apple. So there's a very big hacking and security risk that exists on a Web2 cloud, which does not exist on a Web3 cloud. Also on Web2, there's what they call vendor lock-in. Is once you upload your data, you're trapped inside the ecosystem. The big tech really owns your data. And they also charge you to access your own data. It's called data egress fees. But the cost of a Web2 cloud continues to increase throughout time. So just to hop over and take a look at some of the comparisons between Storage Chain and AWS or Google Cloud or Microsoft Azure, which are really the Web2 cloud companies, versus the Web3 cloud. The security we talked about, they have single data centers where our data is encrypted and distributed across multiple storage nodes, which exist inside of our Web3 cloud. And the Web3 part is really the blockchain encryption and decentralization. So no one organization owns your data. So the cost is much cheaper. It could be up to 70% less to be able to store your data on Web3. Also, it can become even more than that because we don't charge egress fees to access your data. Whereas Web2 companies are very prone to hacks and outages. Web3 is really immune to those types of problems. You, as a customer, you actually own your data if you put it on a decentralized Web3 cloud. You own all your own encryption keys. The third-party vendor in no way can get to your data. So, just to wrap up, the world is changing fast. Data privacy laws are tightening. AI workloads are exploding. We're able to, in terms of AI, do keyword, semantic, and concept search. This is our AI vector data storage product, decentralized. Whereas in a centralized storage capacity, like Amazon S3, for example, you can only search by file name. So we've sort of leapfrogged the technology with feature sets, search feature sets, for much less of the price than it would cost to store it in a centralized manner. So, the global cloud 3 storage market's already $100 billion and growing. The Web3 revolution is really here. We believe decentralized AI-enhanced storage isn't just the next step, it's the new standard. So if you want real ownership, stronger security, lower cost, and smarter AI-powered search, then it's time to take a look at Storage Chain. You can visit Storage Chain on the web at storagechain.io. We also have multiple social media presences on Twitter X. We're at Storage Chain.